One way that we can think about these relationships between genes and environment is by using this concept of epigenesis. Because researchers argue that heredity does not dictate children's experiences or development in a rigid way, accumulating evidence reveals that the relationship between heredity and the environment is really bidirectional. So genes affect people's behavior and experiences, but their experiences and behavior also affect gene expression. So epigenesis refers to development resulting from these ongoing bidirectional exchanges between heredity and all levels of the environment. So this concept of epigenesis reminds us that development is really best understood as a series of complex exchanges between nature and nurture. Here's an example of the epigenetic framework. So here you can see gene expression affects behavior, but behavior also affects gene expression. Similarly, gene expression is affected by the environment, but the environment that you're in, but your genes will also affect the types of environments that you choose to be in. And then behavior is affected by the environment, but behavior also affects the types of environments that you choose to be in. So let me give you an example here. If you think about giving a baby a healthy diet, this promotes brain growth, and this leads to new connections between nerve cells, which in turn transform gene expression. So this really opens the door to new gene-environment exchanges, such as advanced exploration of objects or interaction with caregivers, and this can further enhance brain growth and gene expression. In contrast, harmful environments will negatively affect gene expression, sometimes so profoundly that later experiences can do little to change those characteristics that originally were flexible. So the example here is that you might have this kind of blueprint for your unfolding development, like brain growth. But if you're not in an environment that supports that, then that gene might not ever be expressed. So the baby really inherits genes from both parents at conception. And so during prenatal development, toxins, nutrition, and even stress can influence some genes to stop working and others to have a stronger or weaker influence. So we literally see that even at conception, we can see this epigenetic framework at play. During infancy, environmental experiences like stress, nutrition, toxin exposure, learning, encouragement will continue to modify those genetic and nervous system activities, and this directly underlies behavior. So genes and experience are working together and influencing each other.